My name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can install Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. So to start, click on Play Store. Then in the search field, type Google Authenticator app. Then click on Install. Install the app on your phone. After installation, you can click on Open. You open Authenticator app. So this is the Authenticator app. Click on Get Started. So here you can choose to use scan or QR code to add an account to your Google Authenticator app, or use a setup key to link your account to Google Authenticator app. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe, comment, share, so that anytime you upload new video, you'll get notified clicking icon. Thank you.